So it's delivery day, peeps. Let's uncrack this bad boy. Got my phone. Just kidding. Okay, so what we got just before, you didn't see that, brought this from, I'll put a link down in the description. This is a router bit for the T-moulding slot cutter. 25 quid, quite expensive, but it come I think next day delivery, so props to those guys. 28 bit or 28 mil bit spade for driver for your screwdriver or your drill or whatever to drill the buttons. Everyone who's building an arcade cabinet will know how not easy they are to get. Not difficult, but not easy. So, blue T-moulding, lovely, because you know how much I like blue. What else we got? I can't even remember what I ordered, but I know it cost me a shed load of money. I'm broke, guys, I'm broke. Please send in your donations. Okay, so we've got the what's that? Spindle, I'm guessing, yeah, for the router bit. I had to buy that separately as well. That was another 17 quid. It's feckin' expensive. What we got? We've got some keys, some locks and keys. God, it's like Christmas. What we got here? Okay, we've got a coin mech. Oh, look at that, it's brand new, brand spanking new. Lovely. I can't even remember what one I went for in the end, and because they're all set up obviously to accept certain coins. Well packaged as well. Let's crack this bad boy open quickly. I'm not too sure how it works, but you know, we'll get into that. Put back quickly so I don't lose all the bags. What else we got? We got a lovely white box. What we got in here? Okay, this is the iPack Ultimate IO. That's for all my buttons and the colour changing LEDs and stuff. I've got the harness with it. Brilliant. So how do we power this? Okay, Molex to a jack there. That's cool. What else? This bad boy. Taking up the whole box. Alright, that's crap. Oh yes, okay, so these are the joysticks. I went for Suzo Hap joysticks because I wanted the authentic. God, it comes with everything in here. These weren't badly priced either. I think these were just over 16 quid. I'm going to say just under 17 quid. So I've got a blue one and a red one. Look at that. Lovely. And they come with your micro switches and everything already in them. And last but not least, I say last but not least, this cost me a fortune, all this stuff. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? That's right. Coin door. No arcade would be right without the authentic coin door, and this is going to work as well, guys. Oh mate, that's awesome. It's going to look absolutely awesome. And that's where my mech's going to go. Again, I'll have to sort all that out because I don't really know how it all goes together, but it's going to be fun finding out. So that's all that. That was from Arcade World UK, and I've got another one that I opened, had a cheeky look. And if you haven't guessed it, what they are 30 RGB light up buttons from Ultimark, I think they were. And Andy, the guy who put my order through, especially in these times with COVID and stuff like that, he got them out very fast, and I was well happy. So I won't get them all out, but that's pretty much what we're looking at here. There we go, another 15 in there. They're all my buttons. Brilliant.
So this is a continuous hinge that I brought to make it more authentic, like an original arcade cabinet. It's called a continuous hinge or a piano hinge, and this one was brought from B&Q over here in the UK. I'm sure you can get it at Lowe's or whatever hardware store is over in your area, your country, and just cut it down and now just marking out for the holes. So it's going to drill straight into the cabinet and then into the bottom of the control panel. So there's my 4 holes for the arcade cabinet. And now to line up my control panel. And that's how it's going to hinge. Just like a, like I say, an original arcade unit would open up. Because I don't want the two screws either side. It, to me, just, I don't know, I just want to be different. So I'll just screw those in. And I think I'm going to have to go to the hardware store again and buy some more screws. Or order them online, I think. There we go. That looks awesome. And that's how it's going to hinge. Love it.
So we've come on to the part making it look like a real arcade, and I found these which were in a different project, but managed to nick them because they weren't being used. So somehow I've got to attach them to this. So yeah, that's what I made earlier. Now, to attach them to this, I'm going to use my nail gun, but we're going to need some glue. What you're going to want to do with your glue, guys, is, you know, give it a damn good... Can I help you? So we're going to want a sploogerelli. And clean your tip. You always want to clean. You always want to have the tip clean. So I think we were going to go. Go for something like that. So I've ordered more parts off of Amazon, and yeah, officially we're broke, and can't get them yet because of the old stupid Wu flu. You know, the old COVID clap, the old Chinese gonorrhea.
Too far!
I can't believe I just said that. So they should be here anytime now. Gotta wait for it though. So spent an arm and a leg so far, and yeah, the budget has gone completely out the window, but we're having fun. So yeah. Okay, so while we're waiting for those to dry, we've got the piano hinge, as they call it, or continuous hinge. We've got that on. What I might do is take this off and just give that a sploogerelli. And I've ordered the chain, so when you pull this up, it can't come any further because there'll be a chain as well, exactly like what the arcades are like. So yeah, looking forward to that. Can't wait to get that on, and we are so close now to basically painting the thing, and then we can start putting electronics in. Still a bit of planning, as I'm sure there's other things I want to put in, but yeah, then we can start thinking about side art and stuff like that. So yeah, let's crack on while I do this. See what else we can get up to. Going to be it for this episode, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. As always, massive thank you to everyone who makes it to the end. Right, so on the next one, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to glue it together, so we ain't going to be able to take it apart ever again. So we're going to glue it together, fill it, sand it down, get it ready for paint it. And that's when, after that, the fun begins, because then we can start putting in the electronics. I've got a ton. It's cost me a fortune so far, so you know, bear with me. It's not going to go as fast as I like because I'm in absolute agony, down to the illness I suffer with. I suffer with fibro, so I can only do what I can do. Having fun though, lovely day. Yeah, so stay with me, watch out for the next one. It's going to be great, and if you want one built for you, it'll only cost you £2 grand. That's just for the wood and my skills, but you know. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. Smash the subscribe button. Tell your friends about me. If you're building something like this, put in the comments down below what you've done, whether you've used a arcade one-up cabinet or whether you built one on your own just like me. It'd be fun to see what you're doing. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.